Vinegar can have many uses in the garden. Here are my top 3. Number 1. Acidifying the soil. While an acidic soil can be bad for many plants, some, such as blueberries, astilbe, and camellias, need acidic soil to grow properly. If your acid-loving plant is struggling, it could be due to the soil not having a low enough pH. To fix this, add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vinegar to 2 cups of water. Then water the affected plant. Number 2. Weed killer. Spray undiluted vinegar on weeds, and it will kill most plants above ground. This works best on younger plants, as a stronger vinegar will be needed for larger ones. Make sure the vinegar doesn't come in contact with the plants that you are growing. Number 3. Rust remover. If your gardening tools are rusty, or just need disinfecting, place them into a large bucket of vinegar, and soak them for a couple hours. Most of the rust should be gone by then. If not, scrub off the rest. Vinegar can also be used as a deterrent to ants, snails, and slugs.